Hello everyone, this is Jake with Shaper Tools, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Brusso CP200 Cabinet Pull with Shaper origin and plate. This pull is fantastic. Solid brass, milled out of solid brass. It's designed to be cut snugly into your piece of furniture or your box and epoxied in. And with origin, we can get that fit to be absolutely perfect. A favorite of furniture makers, box makers alike. The files for it can be found over on the hardware catalog, along with hundreds of tested and verified hardware files from all the top manufacturers. All I need to do is search Brusso, and we have everything from their catalog. We are specifically looking for the CP200. Now on this page, it's going to give us all the relevant information, including the max mortise depth, so that gives you an idea of what your material thickness needs to be, a thumbnail of what the cut file looks like, and of course included in the download is all of the manufacturer information that you might need in a PDF, along with the files. Let's go ahead and sync to my files. Okay, now the file is on my origin, I can go ahead and set up my plate. I started by marking the very center of my drawer box, giving me a nice long line here, where I can deploy my reticle and line that up on my pencil line. Bring in your tool, import, and right there at the top we have our Brusso CP200. Now it's going to come with two options, one surface mounted where the brass sits above the surface, but here we like to use the totally flush version. Because we're using that center reticle, I'm going to place it at 0, 0, right in the middle of the window. Today I'm going to be using the 8mm bit just to speed things along. So you want to make sure that you Z-touch off of your material, not off of the plate surface. And I'm going to do this in a couple passes. Big pocket to remove the majority of the material, and then a shallow pass around the edge to get it to fit just right. Here we go. All right. Now everything on the hardware catalog is designed to be a very tight tolerance because we want you to be able to choose how you want your hardware to fit. That would come together, especially with a few swings of a mallet, but I want to be able to dial in the fit so that I leave a little room for the epoxy and so that I can get it in and out right now. I will use a negative 0.003 0.03 of an inch. I'll open up both of these inside cuts. We should get the perfect fit. Excellent. Knock off any fuzz from the router bit. And that is what we're looking for. There you go, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.